Namaste. Welcome to Meditations for the Soul. Today, we are going to do a 5-minute meditation for good vibes. Use this moment of goodness when you need to remember a cheerful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. When you're ready, close your eyes. We'll begin by swaying to the beat. Start to nod your head and sway side to side, finding the beat, moving and dancing to your own rhythm. Once you find your beat, let's breathe. Take a long breath in through your nose. Open mouth exhale, let go all your worries. Inhale fully. Exhale completely. Inhale and exhale. So much uncertainty in the world right now. Who knows what tomorrow might bring? Let's use God's word to help us through. The Bible tells us there is a future, and your hope will not be cut off. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope. Be blessed. God loves you. So spend the next few moments of this meditation breathing and moving to your own rhythm. Bring your attention to the intention that God has a plan for your life that is good. Stay hopeful and lean into the goodness of God right now. Let this meditation be a reminder when things get tough to remember that God has a future and a hope for you. You will not be cut off. Come back to this meditation anytime you need a good vibe. But for now, don't forget to stay true to your light. And in your own time, open your eyes and shine. Namaste.